Here's how to display the discount percentage on the sale badge in WooCommerce without touching any code. You'll need a plugin for this, so go to your WordPress admin and hit Plugins, then add New Plugin. Search for Advanced Woo Labels and install the one by Store Apps. Activate it once it's done installing. Now you'll see Advanced Woo Labels in your sidebar. Click that, then hit Add New Label. In the title field, just put something like % off so you know what this label does later. The important part is setting up when this badge shows up. Under Label Conditions, change the first drop down to Product is on sale and leave the other two as they are. This way, the badge only appears on stuff that's actually discounted. Scroll down to Label Settings and click the General tab. In the Label text field, type curly bracket save_% curly bracket followed by the % sign. That little code automatically grabs the discount percentage and shows it. There's a supports variables link right below if you want to see what else you can display, but the percentage is probably what most people want. For where it shows up, set position type to on image. Pick something like right top so it sits in the corner of your product photos. Hit publish when you're done setting it up. Check your storefront now and you'll see the badges working. Any product on sale will show its discount percentage automatically calculated from the price difference.